Telophase 1 of meiosis. During telophase 1 of meiosis, half the number of chromosomes have arrived at one of the pole and half the chromosomes have arrived at the other pole. Mean if there are total 6 chromosomes, 3 of the chromosomes will be present at one of the pole while remaining 3 will be present on the other pole. Cytokinesis is a process that converts the cell into two because the chromosomes they are arrived at the poles. A process will start that is called as cytokinesis that divides the cell into two. As a result of cytokinesis, two haploid cells are produced from a single diploid cell. Cytokinesis differs in case of animal cells and plant cells. In case of animal cells, a furrow is formed which consists of the membrane furrow formed that pinches the cell and converts it into two balls or into two cells. While in case of plant cells, a plate is formed in the middle, ultimately which consist of vesicles. These vesicles they enlarge and split the chromosome and split the cell into two plant cells. There is no replication between the meiosis 1 and the meiosis 2 as the haploid number of chromosomes have arrived at each of the pole. Now there will be no replication because in case of meiosis there is a single replication of the chromosomes that is before the start of the meiosis 1 during the interphase. In this diagram we can see the telophase. In case of telophase, 3 chromosomes that arrived on one of the pole while the 3 chromosomes they are arrived on the other pole. The cell in the beginning contains 6 chromosomes while that number is now reduced into 3 chromosomes. There is a cleavage furrow between these two cells and ultimately a single cell will be converted into two cells. In the beginning there were 6 chromosomes but now in each of the cell there are 3 chromosomes. So telophase, if we summarize the telophase, at the end of the telophase, 2 cells are produced, each cell containing half number of chromosomes as compared to the cell of mother cell which contain a diploid number of chromosomes.